Why is NIT Agartala so underrated? This is a question that has puzzled many, but let me share with you my personal journey, which could shed some light on this matter. I recall my first encounter with NIT Agartala was during my counselling session at VNIT for GE Mains. The administrators there advised against choosing NIT Agartala, citing reasons such as its remote location, subpar food, and potential security issues due to the surrounding region. Initially, I agreed with them. However, my desire to pursue engineering physics, a course available only at NIT Agartala, pushed me to give it a chance. The reality I experienced on arrival was starkly different from what had been painted. Contrary to the popular belief, the location was easily accessible with discounted flight fares, a direct train route from TRIPURA to New Delhi, and an impressive transportation network in the northeast. The food quality was on par with good restaurants, debunking another misconception. TRIPURA, where the college is situated, has been one of the most peaceful states in India for the past decade. There were no communal riots, and the campus provided a safe and serene environment. The weather, the pure atmosphere, and the open space that NIT Agartala offered, in my opinion, surpasses that of other top-tier colleges in India. In terms of infrastructure, NIT Agartala shines brighter than even some of the top IITs. I fondly remember my time at the Aryabhata hostel, which felt like heaven during my 4-year stay. Furthermore, there's a new grand hostel named Rabindranath underway. The college has also partnered with ISRO to build an innovation incubation centre, opening up opportunities for students to work with one of the world's leading space agencies. The advanced technology facilities available at NIT Agartala, including TM, AFM, SEM, FISM, XRD, supercomputer and more, are on par with those at top-tier institutions like BARC Mumbai and IIT Delhi. Today, I stand before you as a successful engineering physics graduate from NIT Agartala. If the college was indeed as underrated as it's perceived, the success that myself and my peers achieved would not have been possible. In conclusion, just like politics, institutions often rank and prefer those that are beneficial for them. However, the reality is different, and the reputation of NIT Agartala is bound to improve. It's only a matter of time before this underrated gem of a college gets the recognition it deserves. Remember, never underestimate anyone or anything. After all, even the most underrated can sometimes be the most rewarding.